won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she throwing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City.
I hope y'all can hear me. Oh, I probably got mad tuna in my hair. Because I just had tuna on my hand. And then I fucking touched my head. But anyways, y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I look tired as fuck. I don't know why I look like this today. Oh, let me tell y'all something that I hate. That's why I came on the vlog. Because I really just wanted to, like, talk to y'all real quick about how my day is going. I guess I just had a fake man. Okay, y'all. So yeah, let me tell y'all what happened this morning, right? So it's this guy at my job, right? He's just a regular guy. He a cool guy. Y'all already know I have a boyfriend, so I'm not talking about no guys in that way. Every time he see me, he says what's up. Like he talk, we have a little conversation or whatever. So this morning, y'all, I see him. He was just acting mad weird. He wasn't being his normal self. Like he always come up to me and say hi. He didn't say shit. So to make a long story short, y'all, I peeped that he didn't say hi because he was with his girlfriend. I love these, by the way. But I'm like, oh, it's like that? I'm like, your girlfriend don't let you talk to people? Like, I don't, like, what? I'm not trying to make fun of nobody or nothing, but no lie, y'all, he got the Fetty Wap eye. He got one eye. So it's like,
jump scare.
It's like, I'm not mad. These could never make me mad. Well, unless it's my boyfriend, but niggas no. So y'all, guess what I did? So I let him not speak to me. I let him act cute. So y'all, guess what happened? Typical. When he left his girlfriend, he see me working at my station or whatever, then he wanna come speak. That is some fake ass shit. So I was like giving him one word answers, and then after I couldn't take it no more, I said to him, I was like, bro, you dead so morning. Like, I was like, don't talk to me now. I am so serious, y'all. Like, I told him, I was like, don't come talk to me now. I was standing right next to you and you ain't say shit. So I said that to him. You know what this gonna say? Yeah, this really gonna say,
He didn't see me.
and then I started feeling bad because I'm like, damn, you was just being a bitch and he didn't even see you, girl. But I feel like break is over. How you don't see the person standing right next to you? And he do got one eye, so it's a possibility that he didn't see me. But I think he lying. I'm gonna talk to y'all later though. I think break is over. I'll be like, oh, my nails chipped. I came here 3 days ago. Oh yeah, she did my nails. Should I wait for her? I just wanted to see if she could fix this one. Because I came here 2 days ago.
对，朱迪，这个是你做的，是不是？黑线这个。
这个是我做的，这个不是，这个是我做的，是我做的，帮我补一下。Thank you.
我
I mean, you didn't have to text. You could just fill it in.
Yeah, I just find it smooth.
Yeah, because I'm like, it shipped in 2 days. It don't even look like I got my nails in 2 days, though. It's okay. They haven't seen you in mad long.
That look hit, boy.
It's alright. We outside.
If you have to cough, just cough. You got to cough? That bitch will be like, bitch, I know the smoke not hurting your eyes.
Yeah, shit like right there. So what I wanted versus what I got. Do that look like that drink?
No, you know like how, you know how they do the TikToks and they be like the first shot and then the last shot? Oh.
Bitch, we on the last.
Almost last.
But we had a good time. We had horrible service, so our bill was like half off.
Because at this point, this is what they was getting with that shit.
But we had fun. Yay.
Who the fuck? Oh, it's the Nets game tonight.
I want to go to a Nets game. I got 3 minutes. I'm bugging. Give me a hug. Go down.
Look to the top.
Bitch, I know.
To the left, all the way to the left.
All right.
3, right? All the way to the left.
Text me when you get home. All right, y'all. So y'all do know I am coming out with my business soon. But in the meantime, my sister wanted me to tell y'all to go follow her on Instagram and add her candle page, because y'all know she's a young black entrepreneur and that's my sister. So just go show her some love and follow her page and show her some support, you know. And if you like her candles, you know, you might want to make a little purchase or whatever. Don't ask me why I wasn't following my sister on the gram, but y'all go follow her, period. Period. Okay, y'all, we back in the house. I don't have nothing to set y'all up on. But hold on. I'm trying to get my life together. Oh. Ooh. I got a little lighting over here. Period. Purr, big purr. I had so much fun yesterday, you guys. I had mad fun. But yeah, me and my sister had mad fun at Applebee's. So now today is Friday. Yeah, today's Friday. It's now Friday. I can't believe we went up like that. We really went up like that on a club going up on a Tuesday. On a Tuesday. It looked like I just woke up too, but I didn't. I feel hurt. But yeah, today is Friday. The only reason why I went out yesterday and I was able to have fun like that was because my job gave us 2 days off because they got to do like maintenance in the building. I always feel like one eye is bigger than the other eye. I don't know. I kind of feel like this vlog is all over the place. Like, this vlog is a mess. This vlog is probably not even going to get posted until... Because the other day, I recorded a sit-down video. And that's what I'm about to edit right now.